All the kids in Asuncion Consunji Elementary School made an impact on me. Having the chance to teach them and play with them is an experience that I will truly treasure forever. Imagine kids going to school on Sundays just to have a bite of the food they were expecting we would give them and have time to play with us. It's very heartwarming. And one kid that really had a mark on me is named Rodel, if I'm not mistaken. He's the boy in orange. He was gay. Well, he's not hiding it anyway. He was so jolly, so active in the game and all. And during the ride home, if I'm not mistaken again, he was the one who went home with us. And nakisabay siya and went down to a certain place. It's not that far from the school, but surely it's not near for walking to. And he told us that he walks that path every day just to attend school. Inspiring, right? Well, we have cars and other transportations, yet we are so lazy to go to school. Okay ba? So many activities in NSTP affected my worldview. It's so overwhelming to have helped many students in the little things we've done. Hearing that those students were encouraged, determined to go to school because of what we're doing with their school, yung pagpaplaster namin ng wall, makes my heart smile. It has affected me in a sense that it's not only them that we give something to. Through NSTP, I have received appreciation from those kids and also learned to appreciate more what I have and to share it to others. For example, to those kids na even after NSCP, even after our course to it, we would still help them, hopefully. I can say that the most difficult but satisfying work is the job of the carpenters. It was not easy to make a shelf. All those paglalagare, pagpapako, pagliliha. And it's not also easy to sift the sand, mix it to the cement, and plaster it to the walls of the school. These were all tiring eh. Add to it pa the heat of the sun. Our carpenters deserve a round of applause in every establishment and other things they make. My Tamashan values of compassion, commitment, and competence were expressed in activities of NSTP. Compassion to those students who go to Asuncion Consunji Elementary School and having in mind the smiles they would have in seeing the little things we've done to their school pushed me to do all the works well. I was committed to finish plastering the walls and building the shelves, not because we were required to, but because I am dedicated to help. And lastly, my competence was expressed through sharing it to others. Teaching the students about food and proper hygiene were a list of it. I used my skill to also finish plastering and painted the walls and build I used my skill to also finish plastering and painted the walls and building the bookshelves nga. So lastly, if I could do the project again, wala naman ako masyadong babaguhin because I believe I worked with the best people. Siguro one thing I would change is how much effort we put in preparing for the fieldwork. And though our group was not assigned with cooking, maybe that's one part na I would like to improve. Maybe we could prepare a healthy food and at the same time, aesthetically to eat para dun sa mga bata.